No affiliate marketing, no website required, no social media following or whatsoever, and new skills or previous experience. Today, I will show you how, with absolutely ease, you can start making money online thanks to a website I recently found. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. The site I recently came across that I'm sure most if not all of you never heard of before is this one here called cjinc.info. This is essentially a make money online website. As you can see, creative jobs, work online, earn online. And something I know many of you will love about this is that it's available worldwide. Just like you can see here, if you scroll down, you will see these three people. This girl is from the Philippines. This girl is from the US. And this guy is from Australia. These are all three different parts of the world. Furthermore, as you can see below, it says work from anywhere, anyplace, anytime. So I think it's pretty safe to say that this is a really worldwide available platform. Now with that a bit of info out of the way, let me explain exactly what you can do on here, because this is not a make money online site in the sense that you can get paid through completing surveys, watching videos, and so on. That's actually not the cases on here. You can find jobs that are sought after online. They do pay a very decent sum of money. You have market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and finally online teaching. Now we will be focusing on one job in particular, which is proofreading. For those of you guys who are oblivious, proofreading is essentially correcting various errors in the text, and so it does require more than a decent knowledge of English. However, I will actually show you a tool that's for free, will correct all of the mistakes in any article in just a few seconds. And I will on purpose write an article with grammatical errors to show you that it actually does work. So make sure you stay with me. Now with that said, if some of you happen to have skills in some of these other categories, then you can most definitely focus on them as well. For example, working as a typist is really great because you just need a decent typing speed and nothing else. If you happen to know two languages or even more, then working as a translator is even better and can pay off big time, and so on. The point is that I will be focusing on proofreading because I'm assuming that most of you watching this won't have the skills for these other jobs. But if you happen to have some skills, then by all means, you shouldn't just focus on proofreading per se. Which job offered on the website would you like to try? Share us your thoughts in the comment section down below. Anyways, in order to be able to start working on here as a proofreader, what you need to do is hover your mouse over career in the upper right corner here. You will then obviously want to select proofreading job since that is what we are after on the next page. Then they will give you more info on what proofreading is, the nature of the job, and very importantly for us, how much we will be getting paid. And as you can see, for every page or 1,000 words, you can earn between $5 and $10. And while this one does not sound like a lot, trust me, it's actually a very decent amount of money. And more importantly, since I will show you a tool to proofread an article for you, you will easily be able to make a lot of money, even if your knowledge of English is not that great. In any case, to apply for work as a proofreader, you must scroll down a bit and then click on apply for jobs right here. From there, you will need to fill in the application form, which you will be doing by clicking on it. And then on the next page, as you can see, you just need to enter in some basic information about yourself. What job you're applying for, which in our case is of course proofreading. You will need to enter in your name, email address, your date of birth, gender, marital status, your number, country, employment status. You will then want to choose what hours you are available to work, whether you are comfortable with working with a single company or multiple companies, how you want to get paid, and this, as you can see, does include PayPal. And finally, you need to tick this box signaling you are 18 years or older and that you accept all of their terms. To complete this, you need to mention your complete name as a digital signature, as seen here. And finally, just click on submit to apply for the proofreading job. Now, what happens from here, guys? You can see on one of the previous pages, this website will send you a text message that contains errors that you have to fix before you get accepted. Proofreading projects will provide to you in digitally, pre-typed or as image form, or in physically handwritten form. Now, this is precisely where that tool I mentioned to you before comes in. The tool in question is called Grammarly, over at their site grammarly.com. This is something I've been using myself for a while now, and I can guarantee you it's 100% legit and one of the best tools out there to correct grammar mistakes in various texts. What you need to do on this page is click on Add to Chrome. It's free. That will now take you over to a page where you are to add this extension to your browser. Once done, you will just sign up either via Facebook, Google, or Apple, or just enter in your basic email address here and click on agree and sign up. From there, they will ask you a few basic questions like what do you need Grammarly for? And once you answer all of them, you will be taken to this page. And as you can see, Grammarly does have a premium version, but it is not necessary because the free one offers you exactly what you need. It helps with spelling, grammar, and punctuation. This is exactly what is said on the page right here, as you can see. So you don't have to pay Grammarly or whatever. With all of that said, guys, you just need to click on continue to Grammarly here. And what I will now do is copy an article, add in some errors on purpose, and I will show you that Grammarly has detected each and every one of them. Okay, so what I did, guys, was I copied parts of an article from Healthline regarding six-pack abs, and I pasted it in Grammarly here. I intentionally made it grammatically incorrect to show you that Grammarly actually works. And to check this out, not only did it detect every single mistake, which actually includes small errors like lacking commas, but it shows you on the right hand side the overall score of your text, the correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. So Grammarly goes above and beyond just correcting grammatical errors in your text, and you get all of this for completely free. However, by far the best part about this is that you don't have to manually correct every error. Just click on the word that is underlined with a red color and just click on here in order for Grammarly to correct it for you. It's literally that easy. What you will now do is just copy the article cjinc.info will send you once you apply for a job. Use Grammarly here to correct all of the errors and send it back to them, and you will easily get accepted to work as a proofreader. As you've seen yourselves, using this, you can proofread articles that have thousands upon thousands of words easily. And as you know, that means you can earn thousands upon thousands of dollars without having any previous skills or experience or whatsoever. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.